Gotta get that beach hut. That's what I got for you. Oh, you're jumping, you're jumping, you're jumping. Nora, Nora, Nora. Nora, Nora, Nora. Nora, Nora, Nora. Yeah. High five. I swear once you get into this, it's everywhere. They just keep popping up. Now I'm creeped out. Got little rat prints on my windows. Little fuckers are climbing on the windows now. Damn it. What the fuck? Ooh. This is not good. So I'm taking the van out for the first time since the build. Just wanted to hear if there's anything creaking. So far, nothing. Only thing bouncing around are the lights that aren't secured. This is a pretty bouncy alleyway here. I mean, we live in a damn alleyway. What do you expect, right? Damn. But oh man, I swear today that was pretty good. I hit a bump and no creaking. Today started off bad. Went to go get some lunch, took the Jeep, and on the way home it stalled out 3 times on me in the middle of the road. I guess it ran out of gas, but the gauge said we still had about 16 miles left. Yeah, here's the Jeep. I had to abandon it and walk home. So I'm going to get a gas can right now, fill it with gas, bring it back. What a day. Yesterday was even better. My dog had an emergency in the Jeep and he shit in the back seat. That was nice. Luckily it was just on blankets, so we just took the blankets and tossed them. Now I gotta go get some gas for this Jeep. Find out we got rats. I'm pissed. $4.59 right now. Yeah, thanks, Biden. Alright, so she seems solid. Let me go get some gas. Be right back. So yeah, back seems pretty secure as I'm driving. I'm not hearing anything, no creaking as of yet. I mean, minor stuff, but it's way better than when I first got the van. All those plastics were bouncing around. This is much better. Let me just take it for a little whirl. Damn it, I forgot to wash the windows. These rats and their damn prints on the windows. Here. Those are my lights. I didn't tape them up or have them secured, so those are bouncing around, which is fine. But since I got the new tires and new shocks, this thing drives like a boat. My cabinets aren't magnetized yet. I speak English. All right, let me do this real quick. These guys are doing a number. So I'm looking at my door here and I noticed this pile. These little shits are trying to chew through the door. They're quick. This was not here this morning. Behind this paint can, this shit. They're chewing through the fucking walls. That means they're in the walls. That means they're gonna be upstairs. Fuck this place. I was worried about my cat, and now I gotta worry about a rat. Look at this shit. Just chewed up. That. Chewed it all the way across. Whew, doing some more investigating here. I'm seeing that, I don't know if this picks up, but all the rat prints that are right here on the hood of my truck, the van I mean. Truck, same thing. I consider it a truck. All the footprints are right here. They start, it looks like they started from here. And when I park my van, I park it right up on the washer. So these little fuckers came through the wall, climbed up, went back here, climbed to here, and then jumped. There's not much of a gap, so it's not much of a jump, and got onto here, crawled up here, walked over to here. I can see the little mud tracks here. I don't know if you see these little muddy mud tracks. And then, yeah, it's not gonna pick up, but there's all kinds of paw prints because I have sawdust still all over this window. You can see it better at another angle. But yeah, they all crawled up to about here. So, it looks like they couldn't make it and went down and tried to come and make a way through here. I already cleaned up the mess that they made here. And then they made their way over to the garage door, chewed the shit out of the rubber seal at the bottom, and made their way out. This dude is like an acrobat. He was on the bike, and then this looks like he slipped. But there's the little rat tracks. Slipped down onto the barbecue, and then ran through my hole over to this door and tried to get out through this way. Ate everything here. Ate all of this weather stripping. You can actually see the paw prints as we go up here. He came all the way up to here. And I think it's because of my mess right here. I got a little parkour course for them to run through. When I was a kid, I was living in a house that was infested so bad that we called it the rat house. And I was sleeping on the floor on a blanket, and they would run across my blanket. Yeah, it's disgusting. But hopefully this is not infested. No food in there right now, so there shouldn't be a reason for them to be in here. Took it for a test drive. Nothing's creaking, nothing is moving around except for the lights that aren't mounted. But yeah, that's my deal for today. Ran out of gas, got stranded. Yesterday, dog took a diarrhea in the back of the Jeep. Man, something's telling us to get out of here.